You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're not even tired. Not in the way you think. What you are is overstimulated. Your brain was never designed to process this much, this fast. The scrolling, the notifications, the constant noise. It's like your mind has 100 tabs open and none of them will close. Today, we're doing something different. We're not going to talk about motivation or willpower or productivity. We're going to reset your mind gently, backed by neuroscience, but guided by quiet. Most people think exhaustion means lack of sleep. But deep tiredness, the kind that sleep can't fix, is mental noise. When your brain is overstimulated, dopamine, the chemical that drives focus and pleasure, stops responding the way it should. You chase little bursts of stimulation, like scrolling, consuming sugar, achievement, even seeking validation. Each hit feels good for a second, but then emptier after. Over time, your brain's reward system dulls. You stop feeling real joy. And even when you rest, your mind doesn't. That's why you wake up feeling like you never slept at all. The science of resetting goes like this. Here's what neuroscience shows. When you slow your breathing, when you close your eyes and give your senses space to recover, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system. It's the body's built-in brake pedal. It tells your brain, you're safe now. You can rest. And that single signal, safety, is what your brain has been starving for. Now let's begin your guided reset. Right now, wherever you are, let's slow everything down. You don't need perfect posture. You don't need silence. You just need presence. Here's what we're going to do. Close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop. And take one slow, deep breath through your nose. Hold it for a moment. Then let it fall softly through your mouth. Again, but slower this time. Inhale. Feel your chest expand. Exhale. Feel the weight start to lift. If thoughts start to appear, that's okay. Don't fight them. Just notice them. Let them pass, like clouds moving across the sky. Now bring your attention to the muscles around your eyes. Loosen them. Your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. Let gravity have them for a while. If your mind wants to race, remind it, we're not in danger. We're just resting. Now imagine a gentle light behind your eyes. Soft, steady, calm. With every breath, it grows a little brighter. This is your focus returning. This is your energy realigning. Your brain is relearning silence. Each breath is a message. I'm safe. I'm okay. I'm here. You don't need more energy. You don't need another coffee or another plan. You need recovery. Real mental recovery. Because tired isn't always about how much you've done. It's about how long you've ignored your need for stillness. When you give your mind quiet, it begins to heal itself. When you give your nervous system space, it remembers balance. And when you stop chasing stimulation, peace finds you on its own. If this helped you reset, subscribe. We go deep into psychology and neuroscience of calm, clarity, and change. Real change doesn't start loud. It starts softly and then blooms.